The mind, even more problematic. People want to let go, right? To release, to let go of mind. What they end up doing is letting go of things that they don't like, letting go of responsibility, and just becoming floaty, a mild kind of psychological happiness, right? Which is just the happiness of having no activity. Like the same happiness you get from chilling out on a hammock, right? You can get. It's got nothing to do with spirituality. It's just a very low psychological state. And so they release everything they don't like. Release, oh, that responsibility is stressful. I'll just let go of the responsibility. Okay? You're not supposed to let go of responsibilities. Yeah? You're not supposed to let go of that which stresses you. You're supposed to let go of being stressed, not of stress. Yeah? That which stresses you is not a problem. You being stressed by it is what you let go of. As soon as you stop allowing stress to land on you, you just get weaker and weaker and more useless and don't serve society at all. It's a completely wrong release. Yeah? When things arise in the mind, sometimes they're pleasant, sometimes they're unpleasant. When it's unpleasant, the wrong release is trying to get rid of it, right? I have to let it go. No. Let go of your aversion towards unpleasantness. There's no problem with unpleasantness. It is the nature of mind, of mental activity, of life, that there are ups and downs. That's just the way it is. If you hold on to, it has to always be up, that is being stressed. That is what must be released. You must let go of that. Things are as they are. It is as it is. The nature of the mind strata is flux. It changes. You let go of your attachment to it having to be one way. Then when it's bad, you're okay with it, right? When it's good, you're okay with it. You know, people say it's okay, let go, right? Well, if it's okay, why do you need to let go? What you need to do is accept. Correct letting go is acceptance of things, not trying to make it a special, peaceful way. That is the opposite of release. That's holding on, right? So people, it's like, okay, I'm detaching. Well, you're pretty attached to detaching. That is not the way. Accept the way it is. You have to learn how to be at ease with the way it is, even dis-ease. That's the mental frame, and when people put forces on you in the physicality, it's the same. People with wrong song, they like spaghetti fist out of the way, you know? They wiggle, run away. Oh, I'm song. I released. No, you ran away. You had aversion to it. You have to accept the way it is. You have to be with it. Accept force, not run away from force. Accept stress, not run away from stress. Accept responsibility, accept work, accept the ups and downs of the mind state. Yeah. So the mind and body must learn how to release with reality in a way that reinforces your sovereign integrity. You should release into integrity. But for some reason, most people attach to releasing away from integrity. And they just develop this limp, soft physicality, right? No integrity. And this soft, sort of flaky, you know, the hammock mind, the mind of someone resting on a hammock, which has no integrity either. Wrong release is the near enemy. Beware of wrong release. And of course, the other side of the coin is people who don't release at all, which is the most common one, and why many of you can do the standing practice and you're just fine doing it. But the seniors that know how to release, they really feel it, because they let it happen. They let the weight of gravity in, they experience it. Instead of holding against it, that's not allowing it to be as it is. It's fighting the experience. Okay.